Hello students, welcome again, and today's topic is a very interesting and a very motivational poem, and the name of the poem is The Will to Win, and we are going to have a discussion on the strong poem, and I'm sure these lines will motivate you in your career as well. And this poem is written by Berton Braley, and this poet has written almost like 4,000 stories and poems, and he is considered to be the only one poet who always thinks that nothing is impossible, who is always in a belief, who is always having a strong faith that everything is possible if we work hard and if we try for it, to strive for it. So basically this poem is also with the same intention, written by him at the age of the 11, and the poet says here that if we want something badly, if we want to earn something hard, if you are required to fulfill your desires, then your only thing is to work hard for it. And this is very easy poem, like for simple logic. If you want something, to achieve in your life, if you want to complete your goals, if you want to fulfill your achievements, then the only thing is that you have to work hard day and night and focus on your goals. He says, what come may, nothing is impossible if you try hard for it. Here the poet says that whatever comes your way, whatever hurdles comes your way, if there is, yes, absolutely, we also face financial problems, we face poverty, the life may have many kind of twisting points, but we have to ignore all these things and we have to focus on our goals. If we want to clear all these hurdles, if we have to have a secured life, if you have to have a future goals, then you need to focus on your goal, and the only thing for this is to work hard, because he says that in this world, if the only best achievement we have is the strength, and that strength we have to use it in a proper way. We should not make the waste of it. That you have to implement in a proper way. It shows your capacity, it shows your faith, it shows your confidence, where and very well you have to utilize it in your goals. The poet says that your plan, the word used in the poem is the scheme, but the scheme means the plan. If you already have fixed up your plan, like what you have to do it in your for future life, so you have to make sure that you have to need not worry for the hurdles coming up. You have to plan it very well, you have to execute it in your own way. Don't take help of anyone, because in your life you have to achieve your goal all alone, and nobody will come except for your family. Your family will support you, but how to take that support in a very good way and how to take it as a positive note and strive hard for your success, it completely depends on yourself. And the poet also says that your sweat, you should sweat a lot. Sweat a lot means what? Working hard, that until you sweat, that sweat will give you the happiness, because you have been working very hard for it, and that will give you a happy and a positive result in your career. And the poet also says that don't lose the hope, don't get feared for anything. What come may in your life, whatever incidents happen in your life, don't lose the hope at all. The poet says that whatever this the situation with you, if you have cold, you have fever, whatever is your health condition, how much mentally disturbed you are, leave that everything aside and only focus on your goal. So this poem is very motivational for you all and for everyone, I'm sure. So we have to take a note of this, and we have to start working in a positive way, and we have to execute our skills, show up your strength, show up your capacity in achieving your goals. And obviously God will be there anytime, always and forever to help us. All the best.